It is used to set the piece info. Piece info only sets the size of this specific piece. Set piece name, piece code, comment. Check the piece area and parameter. Set the piece buffer. This is buffer unit. Piece quantity. Piece symmetry property. Ticket, piece wheel symmetry. Set the piece folding direction, handful way. Set the piece nesting limit. Set the direction of piece nesting. Ticket the piece wheel fill. Here used to set the auto nesting function. Normal mean piece wheel nesting. Final mean piece wheel place at the end of marker. Ticket the piece wheel lock and can't auto nesting. Click it to apply the settings to the piece. All size info sets all size of this specific piece. Click the apply after setting. It is used to set the direction of the piece symmetry. X, the piece symmetry direction same as the green line. Y, the piece symmetry direction vertical as the green line. Set the piece fold. Nesting limit. Auto nesting attribute. This used to set the angle for piece rotate. 6 mean the piece rotate angle between 0 to 6. Total piece info sets all piece all size. Ticket only sets the select size. Don't tick to set all size. Set the piece pairs mode. All piece one way. One garment one way. One size one way. Select piece angle. Check piece area and weight. Set the material GSM. Thanks for watching.